What is an SLP's role in phonological process disorders? Imagine trying to speak clearly but your words are jumbled or simplified in ways that others can't understand. That's what phonological process disorders can feel like for children. Now, a speech-language pathologist, or SLP, is the expert who helps fix these speech patterns. They do a lot more than just listen. They carefully figure out what's going on with a child's speech. First, they perform detailed assessments by listening to speech samples and watching how children pronounce sounds. They look for common patterns like omitting sounds, substituting one sound for another, or distorting sounds. These patterns are called phonological processes. Sometimes children keep these patterns past the age when most kids stop using them, which can make their speech hard to understand. Other times, they develop unusual or atypical patterns that need special attention. The SLP also checks how well children understand and manipulate sounds, which is called phonological awareness. This skill is important because it links to reading and writing skills later on. Once they understand what patterns are present, the SLP creates a plan to help. They use specific therapy methods like the cycles approach, which targets one or more sound patterns at a time, repeating exercises until the child masters them. They might also use minimal pairs therapy, where children practice pairs of words that differ by just one sound, helping them notice and produce the correct sounds. Sometimes they choose more complex sounds to challenge the child's system and encourage broader improvements. The SLP also works on phonological awareness training to support reading skills, since children with these speech issues often struggle with literacy. Therapy is often a team effort, involving teachers, parents, and other professionals to help children practice and use their new skills across different settings. The SLP keeps track of progress through ongoing assessments and adjusts therapy as needed. They also distinguish between consistent phonological errors and more complex issues like speech motor problems, which requiring different approaches. In short, an SLP helps children understand and produce sounds correctly, improves their speech clarity, and supports their overall communication and literacy growth.